Hey everyone, today we're talking about something crucial: leg strength. Did you know your legs are often the first to weaken as we age? But it doesn't have to be that way. Strong legs are the foundation of our mobility and independence. I've put together the 10 most essential exercises to build and maintain powerful legs, no matter your fitness level. Grab your water bottle, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the king of leg exercises, the squat. This classic move is a staple in nearly every fitness routine for a reason. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, squats are a fundamental movement that can help you build strength, improve balance, and boost your overall athletic performance. They're not just for bodybuilders or gym goers. Squats are for everyone who wants to move better and feel stronger in daily life. When you perform a squat, you're engaging your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes all at once, making this exercise a true powerhouse for your lower body. But that's not all. Squats also activate your calves, lower back, and even your core, helping you develop a balanced and functional physique. This compound movement is incredibly efficient, allowing you to work multiple muscle groups in a single exercise. The squat is a movement pattern you use every day, whether you realize it or not. Think about sitting down in a chair or getting up from the couch. These are squats in disguise. By practicing squats, you're not just training for the gym, you're building real-world strength that makes daily activities easier and safer. This functional benefit is one of the reasons squats are so highly recommended by trainers and physical therapists alike. To get started, stand tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted, your shoulders relaxed, and your core muscles engaged. This setup is crucial for maintaining good posture and protecting your lower back throughout the movement. Begin the movement by pushing your hips back and bending your knees, as if you're about to sit down in a chair behind you. Make sure your knees track in line with your toes and don't collapse inward. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or as low as your mobility allows, while keeping your weight evenly distributed. As you reach the bottom of the squat, press firmly through your heels to stand back up. Focus on squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement to fully engage those powerful muscles. This not only helps you build strength but also improves your posture and stability. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. Perform each rep slowly and with control, paying attention to your form. Controlled reps help you maximize muscle engagement and reduce the risk of injury. Don't rush, take your time to feel each part of the movement. If you're new to squats, start with just your body weight. As you get stronger and more confident, you can add resistance by holding dumbbells, a barbell, or even using resistance bands. Progress at your own pace, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself as your strength improves. Proper form is absolutely key to getting the most out of your squats and avoiding injury. If you're unsure about your technique, consider working with a coach or using a mirror to check your alignment. Take the time to master the basics before adding extra weight or advanced variations. The best part about squats is that they're scalable for all fitness levels. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or an expert, you can modify the squat to suit your needs. Use a chair for support, try different stances, or add resistance as you progress. There's a squat variation for everyone, so let's get moving and build that solid foundation together. With consistent practice, squats will help you unlock strength, confidence, and better movement in every aspect of your life. Next up, lunges, the queen of leg exercises. Lunges work one leg at a time, helping correct muscle imbalances and improving balance. Step forward, lower your hips until both knees are at 90 degrees, keeping your torso upright. Push through your front heel to return to standing, then alternate legs. Control is everything. Avoid letting your knee wobble. Hold on to a wall or chair for support if needed. Try reverse, walking, or lateral lunges for variety. Each variation challenges your muscles differently. Lunges are fantastic for stability and coordination. Add them to your routine for balanced, strong legs. Now, let's hit the floor for glute bridges, your secret weapon for a strong, resilient posterior chain. This simple yet powerful exercise is a must-have in any fitness routine, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. Glute bridges not only help you build strength, but they also improve your posture, stability, and overall athletic performance. This move specifically targets your glutes and hamstrings, which are essential muscles for supporting your hips, stabilizing your pelvis, and protecting your lower back. When these muscles are strong and activated, you'll notice better posture, less back pain, and more power in your daily movements. To get started, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides with your palms facing down for support. Make sure your feet are close enough that you can just touch your heels with your fingertips. Take a deep breath in, then as you exhale, press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Avoid arching your lower back, focus on driving the movement with your glutes. Hold this top position for a moment, really feeling your glutes engage. Then, slowly lower your hips back down to the floor with control, resisting the urge to let them drop quickly. This controlled movement is key for building strength and stability. Throughout the exercise, keep your core engaged and your ribs down. Focus on using your glutes to lift, not your lower back or hamstrings. If you feel tension in your lower back, reset your form and try again, making sure your glutes are doing the work. Once you've mastered the basic glute bridge, you can make it more challenging by adding a weight, like a dumbbell or barbell, across your hips. Or, try lifting one leg off the ground for a single leg glute bridge. This variation increases the intensity and further challenges your stability and strength. Glute bridges are especially helpful if you spend a lot of time sitting, which can cause your glutes to become weak or inactive. Doing this exercise regularly helps wake up those dormant muscles, improving your movement patterns and reducing your risk of injury. Healthy hips and knees start with strong glutes and hamstrings. The glute bridge is a low-impact exercise, making it perfect for all fitness levels, but don't underestimate its effectiveness. Add it to your routine and feel the difference in your strength, stability, and overall well-being. It's time to give your calves the attention they deserve. Let's talk about calf raises. This exercise is often skipped, but it's absolutely essential for building a strong, balanced lower body. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just want to move better in daily life, training your calves can make a huge difference. Your calves are the powerhouse behind every step you take, every jump you make, and every time you need to balance or change direction quickly. They absorb impact, propel you forward, and stabilize your ankles, making them crucial for sports, walking, and even standing for long periods. To perform a basic calf raise, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Engage your core, keep your posture upright, and press through the balls of your feet to lift your heels as high as you can. Imagine reaching for the ceiling with the top of your head as you rise up. At the top of the movement, pause for a moment and really squeeze your calf muscles. This contraction is where the magic happens. Hold it for a second or two to maximize the benefit before you start to lower your heels. Lower your heels back down slowly and with control. Don't just drop, focus on the eccentric or lowering phase. This is key for building both strength and muscle definition in your calves, and helps prevent injury by training your muscles to decelerate smoothly. For an even deeper stretch and greater range of motion, try doing calf raises on a step or sturdy platform. Let your heels drop below the level of the step at the bottom, then push up as high as you can. This variation really targets the full length of your calf muscles. Want to make it more challenging? Try single-leg calf raises. Balancing on one foot not only increases the load on each calf, but also works your stabilizer muscles and improves your balance. Use a wall or chair for support if you need it. To build even more strength, add resistance. Hold a pair of dumbbells, wear a weighted backpack, or use a barbell if you're at the gym. Increasing the weight will help your calves grow stronger and more defined over time. Don't be fooled by how simple calf raises look. After a few reps, you'll definitely feel the burn. That's your muscles working hard, and it's a sign you're making progress. Push through, but always listen to your body. Calf strength isn't just about looks. It's vital for stability, balance, and injury prevention. Strong calves support your ankles and knees, making all your movements safer and more efficient, whether you're working out or just going about your day. So don't neglect your calves. Add calf raises to your regular routine for complete leg strength, better performance, and improved balance. Your legs will thank you, and you'll notice the difference in everything you do. Let's keep moving and make every step stronger. Step-ups mimic everyday movements like climbing stairs. They build strength in your quads and glutes and improve balance. Use a sturdy box or step, place one foot on top, and drive through your heel to lift your body up. Lower back down with control, don't just drop. Alternate legs or complete all reps on one side before switching. Increase step height or add dumbbells for more challenge. Step-ups are practical and effective for real-life strength. They help maintain independence as you age. Let's step up our leg game. Wall sits are a true test of endurance and grit. Slide down a wall until your knees are at 90 degrees, thighs parallel to the floor. Hold the position, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Start with 30 seconds, then increase as you get stronger. You'll feel the burn in your quads. Embrace it. Add a weight plate on your lap or lift 1 foot for extra challenge. Wall sits build muscular endurance for daily activities. Simple, low impact, and effective. Hold on, you've got this. Time to isolate the quads with leg extensions. Strong quads protect your knees and help with leg straightening. Use a leg extension machine or a resistance band at home. Sit with your back against the pad, extend your legs until straight, squeeze at the top, lower slowly. Control is everything. No machine? Use a chair and resistance band or ankle weights. Isolating the quads helps balance your leg strength. Great for knee health and stability. Add these for targeted quad work. Now let's target the back of your legs with hamstring curls. Strong hamstrings prevent injuries and stabilize your knees. Use a machine or try a stability ball at home. On the machine, curl your heels toward your glutes, squeeze, then lower slowly. At home, bridge your hips and pull a stability ball toward you with your heels. Control the movement. Avoid using momentum. Try standing curls with a resistance band or ankle weights. Balanced leg strength means healthier knees. Don't skip your hamstrings. Let's move sideways with side leg raises for hip stability. Lie on your side, legs straight, core engaged. Lift your top leg slowly, keeping your pelvis steady. Pause, then lower with control. Feel the work in your outer hip and glute. Add ankle weights or a resistance band for more challenge. Strong hip abductors prevent injuries and improve balance. Do both sides for balanced strength. Side leg raises are simple but powerful. Time for the Bulgarian split squat. Challenging but worth it. Place your back foot on a bench, front foot forward. Lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Drive through your front heel to stand back up. Focus on balance and form. Start with body weight. Add dumbbells when you're ready for more intensity. This move builds serious unilateral strength and stability. Finish strong with this powerhouse exercise. That's a wrap on our 10 essential leg exercises. Consistency is key. Add a few of these to your routine each week. Focus on form, progress at your own pace, and celebrate every win. These moves are your toolkit for lifelong strength and independence. Let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next workout.